About this item: 2-in-1 tripod and selfie stick multifunctional sport camera tripod. Not only could be a mini selfie stick pole, but also could be a tripod. Perfectly work as a handle for selfie and as a table tripod for a photography and video shooting. Meet your various demands: visible quality and compact design. The mini portable selfie stick tripod is made of PCPA nylon and aluminum alloy. No foul smell and waterproof, durable and stable. The handle and tripod base mount has the skid resistance of material, makes it would not slip from your hand or other surface. Places extendable / lightweight / portable. This desktop tripod can be stretched from 16.5 centimeters to 28.5 centimeters, weigh only 60 g, super lightweight, very easy to carry and storage wide. Compatibility: compatible for iPhone 12/SE/11 Pro Max /11 Pro /11 XR XS Max XS/X/8 Plus /8/7 Plus /6S Plus /6 Plus /6S/5S/5C/5 Galaxy S20 Galaxy N Galaxy Z Flip Galaxy A